So have you watched some videos on YouTube or maybe comedy skits and you've heard this sound or even this sound? Now all these sounds are achievable. You can also put them in your own videos. Now putting these sounds in your videos is not a Herculean task at all. I have put them in my videos, and the good thing about these sounds is, or sound effects, is they help spice your videos up and keep your viewers glued to your video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these sound effects, record them on your phone and put them in your video. I have also created another video that supplied you with 60 copyright free sound effects. So once you watch this video, you need to check out the other video and see how to get those sound effects. Now with this video, I'll be showing you how to use your phone to record those sound effects, use a very simple editing app and add the sound effects to your videos. Then you can go over to my next video and get those sound effects for free. Stay tuned. I'll be using my inbuilt screen recording, and I'm going to turn off the microphone. Like, I left the microphone off because I want to get only the sound from the phone. I don't want to get background sound. So if I turn on the microphone, it's going to get background sound. Now if your phone doesn't have an inbuilt screen recorder, you can get any external screen recording app and use that. It will work just the same. So I've started recording, then I'll go to the website or wherever I want to get my particular soundtrack from and play it. So now that I've recorded it, I will then stop my screen recording and go to Inshot. I use Inshot app because I find it really easy. When I open my Inshot, I have my video in draft already. So I will just scroll down to the particular point I want to add that soundtrack, right? Then I would click on music. When I click on music, I would see the music icon there. I would also tap on it. Now you see the option extract audio from video. Remember we did the screen recording and it's a video, so I would click on that as well, and then it will automatically extract for me. Then I'll drag the cursor button to the particular point I want for the music.
One nap later. One nap later. One nap later.
So after adjusting it perfectly to the particular soundtrack or music I want to use, I'll just fix it on that area in my video that I want to use it, adjust everything, and my sound effect or my soundtrack is already fixed. Like, everything is ready to go. So I adjusted the volume of the soundtrack and I'll just play it so that you get to see or hear what the whole finished product sounds like.
One nap later.
So guys, this is how to record or get sound effects or music from any website or from any channel or any place you want. But please make sure it is free copyright, because you don't want to get a strike from YouTube. Make sure it is free copyright, or YouTube or any other social media platform you want to use the song from. So if you are still watching this video to this point, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to